welcome back to another vlog. I am here in Florida. The last time that I was here, we went to Epcot and I told you guys that I wanted to come back and try out all the other parks. So that's why we're here again. We're gonna finish up all the Disney World parks. So today we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom, and then finishing it off with Magic Kingdom. Of course, I'm gonna show you guys around. We're actually having a late start in the day. It's already almost 4 and we still have not left the room yet. But I'm gonna show you guys a quick view of our room. We're staying in the Disney's Pop Century Resort, which is really cool because they separate the themes into different centuries. So for example, they range from 50s to the 90s. We are staying in the 1950s section of the resort. So this is how it looks like really quick. Yeah, super small but very comfy. Still getting ready. Say hey.
Hi.
Okay, so yeah, we're about to head out to Hollywood Studios. I'm actually gonna carry my GoPro around with me this time, so it's gonna be less awkward carrying around a camera. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. See you guys the next time that I see ya.
To discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension.
Adopt me. I'm no longer part of a Bermuda Triangle.
Okay, so like the bad vlogger that I am, I didn't do an intro this morning, so I'm gonna just sit down and talk about our day. Starting off, what did we do first? Come here, sit down. So there were 3 places: Asia, Africa,
and Pandora, right?
Yeah, Pandora,
which is Avatar.
I think that one of our favorite rides is in Asia, which is the Himalayan one.
We rode that one twice.
We actually recorded on the ride, so I'm just gonna roll the clip here of what we recorded.
my second favorite ride was the Avatar ride, and that one was really cool. It was like special effects, so you felt like you were flying behind, well, you were flying on like one of those like big, what's it called? Bantu. Then the animals were really nice too.
Yeah, we actually went to the safari thing. It was so cool because we actually got to see like the lion portion of the ride. We got to see them growl at us, and usually at the zoos that we go to, the lions and the tigers are always asleep. And this time it was so interactive.
Yeah.
And the bus driver, she actually stopped to let us like take in the view instead of just driving through like slowly and just like passing by the animals. She like stopped.
You were basically driving through the safari and like driving through like the savannah and such, and like it was really nice seeing them in their natural habitats. And like at the end, they obviously don't have fireworks because of the animals. They had a water show. We didn't stay for the whole time because it started raining. It was really pretty too. It was like little lotuses. The nice thing was it didn't rain all day until the very end. So we did get to see everything. We missed one ride in Pandora, but everything else was really worth it. So I would say that today was a really nice day. And yeah, so we can't wait for Magic Kingdom tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat and enjoy our night. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for Magic Kingdom.
Peace.